Have you ever wondered how to increase your income? Well, you're not alone. In this bustling world, we all seek ways to improve our financial status. But the key to unlocking this treasure lies not in external circumstances, but within us. It's about mastering certain high-income skills that can catapult your earning potential to the next level. Today we're going to discuss 10 high-income skills that anyone can learn and master. Yes, you heard it right. Anyone. These skills do not require any specific degree or background. All they require is your time, dedication, and a burning desire to succeed. These aren't just skills. They're your keys to a world of opportunities, a world where you're in control of your financial destiny. So, if you're ready to elevate your financial game, keep watching. The first high-income skill we're going to talk about is discipline. When it comes to achieving financial goals or any significant milestone in life, discipline is an indispensable tool. It's the driving force that keeps you committed to your journey, even when the road gets rough. Discipline is about maintaining focus and consistency, about refusing to be swayed by distractions or setbacks. It's about developing a routine and sticking to it, about making the right decisions even when they're not the most comfortable. In the realm of high-income skills, discipline plays a pivotal role. It's not just about acquiring these skills, it's about applying them consistently and effectively. It's about staying committed to your financial goals and not letting anything deter you. Discipline is the fuel that drives the engine of financial success. Remember, discipline is the bridge between your financial goals and financial success. The next high-income skill on our list is sales. Now you may be thinking, I'm not a salesperson, but in reality, we are all salespeople. We sell ourselves, our ideas, our values, every single day. Sales is the lifeblood of any business. Without sales, businesses cannot survive, let alone thrive. So how does one master this high-income skill? It all starts with understanding the needs of your customer. Put yourself in their shoes and ask what they're looking for. Once you've identified that, you can craft a solution that perfectly fits their requirements. Another key technique is to build genuine relationships with your clients. People buy from people they trust. Hence, creating a bond based on trust and understanding can significantly boost your sales figures. And let's not forget persistence. The world of sales is not for the faint-hearted. It requires tenacity, resilience, and the willingness to keep going despite the odds. Mastering sales is like mastering the art of persuasion. It can open up a world of opportunities. Another high-income skill worth mastering is digital marketing. It's a term that's been thrown around quite a bit, but what does it actually mean? In essence, digital marketing refers to the promotion of products or brands via electronic media. It's about connecting with customers in the right place, at the right time, in this case, the internet. In the modern age, where everyone is connected digitally, mastering digital marketing can open doors to a wealth of opportunities. As a digital marketer, you can help businesses grow their online presence, increase brand awareness, and ultimately drive sales. Whether it's search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, or email marketing, each facet of digital marketing has the potential to generate a high income. Furthermore, the demand for digital marketing skills is on the rise. Businesses are always on the lookout for skilled digital marketers. So why not invest in mastering this high-income skill? In the digital age, digital marketing skills are not just a plus, they're a necessity. I hope you are enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your wealth. Next, we have negotiation. A skill that's not only vital in business but can be applied in various aspects of life. Negotiation is the backbone of many successful deals and transactions. It's the art of reaching an agreement between two or more parties where each party gains something of value. It's not about winning or losing, but about finding a solution that benefits everyone involved. Think about it. Every day, we negotiate in some form or another. Whether it's bargaining for a lower price at a flea market or discussing a higher salary during a job interview, negotiation skills come into play. In business, negotiation can mean the difference between a profitable deal and a missed opportunity. And here's the kicker, negotiation isn't about manipulation or deceit. It's about communication, understanding, and compromise. It's about building bridges, not burning them. A good negotiator doesn't just win the deal, they win the relationship. They create a win-win situation where all parties walk away satisfied. A good negotiator doesn't just win the deal, they win the relationship. Now let's talk about adaptability. In this rapidly evolving world, adaptability is the key to unlocking better opportunities and higher income. It's about being open to change, readily embracing new ideas, and being willing to step out of your comfort zone. It's about being a chameleon in the business world, able to blend into any environment, any situation. Adaptability is being able to see a roadblock and know there's another path, a different way to reach your goals. It's being resilient in the face of adversity and flexible when things don't go as planned. The more adaptable you are, the more doors will open for you. When you're adaptable, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. You're staying ahead of the curve, anticipating changes and pivoting when necessary. You're not just reacting to the world around you, but actively shaping your own path. Being adaptable means staying relevant, and staying relevant means staying profitable. Another crucial high-income skill is focus. Now, why is focus so critical? It's simple. Without focus, even the most ambitious goals can seem impossible. You see, when your attention is scattered, your productivity dwindles and effectiveness plummets. Imagine focus as a magnifying glass, concentrating the sun's rays into a single powerful beam. This is what happens when you focus your efforts on a single task. It's not about doing more, it's about doing better. In the realm of finance, focus can mean the difference between financial freedom and living paycheck to paycheck. It's the key to honing your skills, to mastering your craft, to growing your wealth. It's about zoning in on your goals and pouring all your energy into making them a reality. So, how do you cultivate focus? Through discipline, through mindfulness, and through a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Remember, where your focus goes, your energy flows. Next on our list is delegation. This high-income skill is pivotal in business and leadership. It's the art of assigning responsibility and authority to others, a skill that, when mastered, can propel you towards success. So, why is delegation so important? It's simple. No one can do everything. Attempting to handle all tasks can lead to burnout and inefficiency. By delegating, you free up your time to focus on high-priority tasks, those that require your expertise and attention. You empower your team, giving them a chance to grow, develop new skills, and contribute more meaningfully to the project. Effective delegation is a win-win. It leads to better productivity, increases job satisfaction, and promotes a positive work environment. And guess what? A thriving, productive team means a thriving, profitable business. Remember, the goal isn't to shirk work, but to make the best use of resources, yours and your team's. Delegation isn't about offloading tasks, it's about maximizing productivity. Now, let's delve into resilience. Imagine you're a sailor navigating through tumultuous seas. The waves are high, the wind is strong, but you persist. That's resilience. It's the ability to endure, to withstand, and to persevere in the face of adversity. In our journey towards financial success, we will inevitably face challenges and obstacles. But it's through resilience that we overcome them. Resilience isn't just about being tough. It's about being adaptable, flexible, and innovative. It's about learning from our mistakes, picking ourselves up when we fall, and finding new ways to move forward. Moreover, resilience feeds into the growth and development of other high-income skills. It fosters discipline, sharpens focus, and enhances our ability to delegate and negotiate. It's the glue that holds all these skills together, allowing us to weather the storms of life and emerge stronger. Remember, resilience isn't just about bouncing back, it's about bouncing forward. Our final high-income skill is financial management. This is the keystone to maintaining and growing your wealth, making it an essential skill for entrepreneurs and high earners alike. Financial management goes beyond just understanding how much you're earning and spending. It's about understanding where your money is going, how it's working for you, and how you can make it work harder. The key components of effective financial management include budgeting, investing, and planning for the future. Budgeting is about understanding and controlling your income and expenses. Investing is about putting your money into ventures, stocks, or assets that have the potential to earn a return. Planning for the future is about setting financial goals and creating a strategy to achieve them. Effective financial management also means being adaptable. The financial landscape is always changing, and so should your strategies. Always stay informed, be ready to learn and adjust. Good financial management isn't about making money, it's about making your money work for you. And last but not least, always believe in yourself. It's the secret ingredient in the recipe for success that many overlook. Believing in yourself is not about being overconfident or arrogant. It's about having faith in your abilities and knowing that you have what it takes to master high-income skills and achieve financial success. Think about it. How can you convince others to invest in your abilities if you don't believe in them yourself? Your self-belief becomes the foundation on which others build their trust in you. It's the spark that ignites your passion, fuels your determination, and keeps you resilient in the face of challenges. Remember, the road to success is often paved with failures. But when you believe in yourself, you see these failures not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones, lessons to learn and grow from. So let your self-belief be your guiding light. Let it lead you to the success you're capable of achieving. Believing in yourself is the first step to success. So there you have it, 10 high-income skills to master. These are the 10 high-income skills that can transform your financial future. They are not something you acquire overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of practice. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. The importance of these skills cannot be overstated. They are the tools that can help you carve out your path to financial success. Each of these skills is a piece of the puzzle, and when put together, they create a picture of financial independence and prosperity. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Start now. Begin honing these skills, one at a time. With each step you take, you'll move closer to your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with one step. Start mastering these high-income skills today and see the difference they make in your life. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.